All right, folks, so today we're going to take a look at a cool product. I've been seeing detailers and stuff use these for years. It always seemed like a good idea for me for like floor mats, rugs, different things like that. And I was helping somebody clean their house up and stuff. They've got some older rugs and all that. And I thought one thing that would really help is if we got one of these spinning brushes into play. And so I went out and bought one. One of the things also I look for too is a lot of these spinning brushes, they had like rural, kind of thick, heavy, dense bristles, and I didn't want to do any damage to the carpet or anything. And I plan on using these with car upholstery and floor mats and stuff in the future. So I found Chemical Guys, they had kind of a lighter duty, lighter bristle that caught my attention, and I've used a lot of their products with success over time. So I went ahead and picked one of these up, and it's real simple. It just attaches to your chuck there on your power drill, and then of course you can set the speed that you want to use for it as well. And pretty simple. You just basically press the button and away you go. So you can of course use the you know, how hard you press, you know, to determine help determine the speed as well setting the speed there. So anyways, thought it was a pretty good idea and thought I'd give it a go. So let's go ahead and put this into play and see how it does. All right, guys, so we have our Chemical Guys brush here in action. So we're just going to give this carpet a good clean. We've already worked on part of it here, and we're just going to keep on working on it. Works real good, very easy to use. A lot of junk and dirt and old fibers coming out. So folks, the good thing about this brush right here is it pulls out a lot of the nasty little dust bunnies and dog hair and all that stuff. So that's been super helpful with this, and that's one reason why I like it so much. It's working real well. All right, folks, so we put our brush to use and got a lot of junk in that brush. It ended up working out real well. Very easy to use, very simple, just plugs right into the drill right there. And yeah, it ended up getting this carpet all nice and clean. Got a lot of the dust bunnies and dog hair and stuff like that, pulled it right out. And yeah, the carpet's looking awesome. So definitely check one of these out. I ended up getting a light duty one. They have heavier duty ones for different tasks and stuff. I'll definitely look into that in the future for some other projects. But for cleaning rugs and stuff, this works pretty good. And going to try it in a few automotive applications too. But definitely check these out. I think they're good value for money, and they get the job done and save a lot of hand scrubbing. So works out pretty good.